Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. If you want to make a solution of material existence by the material way, it is not possible. That is also clearly stated in the Bhagavad Gita. You will find Daividjesa gunamai mama maya durattaya. This material nature, which is accepted, claimed by Krishna as my energy, mama maya. This is also another energy of Krishna. Everything will be explained in the 7th chapter. So, it is very difficult to get out of this energy. Practically we are seeing what we are. Our efforts are very teeny to conquer over the laws of the material nature. It is simply waste of time. You cannot become happy by conquering over the material nature. Now science have discovered so many things. Just an aeroplane from India, it would have taken months together to reach your country, but by aeroplane we can come here overnight. These advantages are there. But along with these advantages, there are so many disadvantages. When you are on the plane, on the sky, you know you are in the midst of desert, danger. At any moment there can be crash. You may fall down on the sea, you may fall down anywhere. So it is not very safe. Then similarly, any method we manufacture, we discover to conquer over the laws of material nature, it is backed by another set of dangerous things. That is the law of nature. So that is not the way to get out of these material pangs of life. The real way is to stop these 4 functions of my conditional life. The 4 functions of conditional life means birth, death, old age and disease. Actually, I am a spirit soul. That is explained in the beginning of Bhagavad Gita, that the spirit soul is never born or is never dead. He continues his life even after the destruction of this particular type of body. This body is only a flash for some years only, but it will be finished. It is being finished by degrees. Just like I am an old man, I am 73 years old. Suppose if I live 80 years, 100 years, these 73 years have already died. That is finished. Now, few years, I may remain. So we are dying from the death of our birth. That is a fact. So Bhagavad Gita gives you the solution of these 4 problems. And Krishna here is suggesting, Maya Saktamana Pratha Jogam Junjan Jadas Madasya. If you take shelter of Krishna, and if you think of Krishna always, your consciousness become always overwhelmed with Krishna thoughts, then Krishna says the result will be asangsang samagrang ma jatha jnashasi tatcham. Then you will understand me perfectly, without any doubt. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,